Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Vishasana and Vaisheshya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So today we will be regarding the concept of Aushadha Nirmana Shala with respect to the GMP. So coming to the introduction part, so Rasashala or the Vaishyajakara, Aushadha Nirmana Kendra or pharmacy. So is always like expected to be quite hygiene and workplace with all facilities and put up many rules and regulations for its establishment under the umbrella of the GMP. GMP is nothing but the good manufacturing practices for nowadays. So, in the similar way, our ancient acharyas were much more concerned about the minest parts of the Vaishyajakara or the Rasashala. So, they concentrated not only on the construction of the interior plans and arrangements, appointment of the skilled attendants for the different like sections of the pharmacy, and the concept of GMP is well known to every pharmaceutical company in the world, and many countries express like GMP in regulations, codes and guidelines, and to meet the worldwide demand for the herbo mineral products it's essential to maintain the GMP. Next, coming to the definition of the GMP. So, good manufacturing practice, that is GMP, is the part of the quality assurance which ensures that medicinal products are consistently produced and controlled to the quality standards appropriate to their intended use and as required by the marketing authorization or product specification. So GMP is concerned with both productive and quality control. Next, coming to the history of GMP. So the GMP was first introduced in NASA in rocket technology named as Zero Defect, and later in 1962 US Federal Food and Drugs Act brought an amendment regarding the GMP, and the first draft of GMP was formed by WHO in 1968, and later it was followed internationally. So in India, GMP was introduced in 1988 as an amendment to the Drug and Cosmetic Rule 1945. In India, licenses for manufacturing of ASU drugs are issued only to such units which fulfill the GMP requirements. So different good practices, like one is like good manufacturing practices, that is GMP, or good laboratory practice, that is GLP, and good distribution practice, that is GDP, and good clinical practice, that is GCP. Next, what is Schedule T? So the raw materials used in manufacturing of the drugs are authentic and of prescribed quality and free from the contamination. And the manufacturing process is as has been prescribed and maintains the standards of the purity. And adequate quality control measures are taken. And the manufacturing drugs which is released for the sale is of the acceptable quality, and to achieve the objectives um, of each license shall involve like methodology and procedures for the manufacturing of the drugs, and which should be documented as a manual and kept for the reference and the inspection. And what is the need of the GMP? So, to ensure the public that Ayurvedic drugs are safe, and to ensure that the raw materials used in the manufacturing of the drugs are authentic, of prescribed quality, and are free from contamination, and the manufacturing process has been prescribed to maintain the standards, and adequate quality control measures are adopted, and the manufactured drugs released for sale is of the acceptable quality. Next, coming to the important part of the GMP. So, an extremely important part of GMP is documentation of the every aspects of the process activities and operations involved with the drugs and the medical device manufacture. So GMP takes a holistic approach of regulation, regulating this the manufacturing and laboratory testing environment itself. Next, GMP mandates. All manufacturing and testing equipments have been qualified as suitable for the use. All operational methodologies and procedures, such as manufacturing, cleaning, and analytical testing utilized in the drug manufacturing process, have been validated. Next, in pharmacy, like three parts. One is the manufacturing unit, another one is the quality control section, and another one is the quality assurance. So this is regarding the GMP, and if you have any queries, please to mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.